Hello friends, welcome to Balvatika. How are you all? Fine, now? Yes. Now, today we are going to learn, about vehicles. Vehicles are very useful. It helps us to move one place to another place. Yes, did you see? See so many vehicles on your screen. Oh, some are 2 wheels, some are 3 wheels, and some are 4 wheels. Yes? Okay, first one, tring tring. My cycle. Cycle had 2 wheels. We call 2-wheelers. Now, next one, scooter. Pep pep. Tit. Yes. When we are using scooter, we wear what we wear? Helmet. See? Did you see helmet? Yes. Now this is motorcycle. Zoom. So speedy. Next one, auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Now it's a car. Beep 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 beep. Red car. It's a 4-wheeler. Now it's a bus. Some buses are very big, some are small, right? Yes. They run on road. Next one, ambulance. Oh my God. Ambulance. We can use ambulance when we are sick. No? When we go to the doctor's clinic, we can use ambulance. Now it's a school bus. Let's go to school. Hello. Now it's a bullock cart. Bullock cart. Usually bullock cart used in where? In a farm or in the villages. So to pull the bullock cart and move one place to another place. And this is horse cart. Same. Horse cart. Who pulled? Horse. Now it's a tractor. Tractor is also usually used in a farm. Now, oh, ding 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 ding. This is fire engine. Fire engine comes when someplace had a fire. We call firefighters, and they come and they spread water, right? Yes. And this is truck. This is our lorry, truck. Now this is boat. Boat sailing in the water, in a river. And row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. This is boat. Now this is train. What is this? Train. Oh, train. Train runs on a track. Where? Runs on a track. Then next, helicopter. Yes. Usually helicopter used for our soldiers and yes, our fighters. And this is police car. Oh, don't be afraid. They are very helpful to us, na? Very helpful. And then this is aeroplane, fastest vehicle. Aeroplane is the fastest vehicle. And this is steamer. Yes, sailing in the water, in deep seas. And this is metro. And this is hot air balloon. Yay! This is ropeway. And oh, what is this? I don't know. This is crane. And crane usually used for pull up something heavy thing. So these are vehicles. Vehicles are very useful, right? So thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, and thanks once again.